A choke coil takes a current of 2 ampere lagging 60 degree behind the applied voltage of 200 volt at 50 Hz. Calculate the inductance, resistance and impedance of the coil. Also determine the power consumed when it is connected across 100 volt 50 Hz supply. Solution. First we will write what is given. A choke coil takes a current of 2 ampere. So current is given, I is equal to 2 ampere. It is lagging. Angle phi is given. So phi is equal to 60 degree behind the applied voltage. Voltage is given, V is equal to 200 volt. Frequency is given, F is equal to 50 Hz. Calculate the inductance. We have to calculate inductance L, resistance R and impedance of the coil. So impedance of the coil we have to find. Also determine. So this is second part. First we will calculate this first part. So I is given, phi is given. So we have the formula. Cos phi is equal to R upon Z. We don't know the value of R and Z, but we know the value of this phi. So this will be cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to R by Z. So cos 60 is 0.5. 0.5 is equal to R upon Z. Now Z is equal to under root of R square plus XL square. We have one more formula. From this, Z is equal to V by I. So we know the value of voltage. Voltage is 200 and current is 2 ampere. So 200 divided by 2, this is equal to 100 ohm. The unit of impedance is ohm. Next, frequency is also given. So XL is equal to 2 pi FL, but we don't know the value of this L. So first we will find. We have one more formula. Cos phi is equal to R by Z. Now we have the value of cos phi, that is 0.5. Now we have the value of this Z. Z is 100 ohm. So R by 100. Therefore R is equal to 0.5 into 100 is 50 ohm. So 50 ohm is the value of resistance. Now we have the value of resistance and impedance. So we can find the value of XL. So Z square is equal to R square plus XL square. Therefore XL square is equal to Z square minus R square. So Z square is 100. 100 square minus R square. R square is 50. So XL square will be 100 square minus 50 square. So it is 7500. 7500. Therefore XL is equal to under root of this value. Under root of 7500. It is 86.60. 86.60. The unit of inductive reactance is ohm. Now from this XL we can find the value of inductance L. XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So XL is equal to 2 pi FL. XL is 86.60 is equal to 2 pi F. F is given. F is 50 Hertz. So this will be 50 Hertz into L. We have to find the L. So L is equal to this value divided by this value. So answer divided by 2 pi into 50. 2 pi into 50. So it is 0.275. 0.275. The unit of inductance is Henry. So we have the value of L, R and Z. Next part is also determine the power consumed when it is connected across 100 volt 50 Hz supply. So next we have to determine power consumed. So it is the second part. We have to determine power. Voltage is given. V is equal to 100 volt. 100 volt. And frequency is also given. F is equal to 25 Hertz. So here in second part the value of resistance will be same. So R is equal to 50 ohm. Resistance will remain same. R is equal to 50 ohm. But this inductive reactance will change because the frequency is changed. So now we can find power consumed. So we have the formula for power is equal to VI cos phi. So voltage is 100 into current. Current is, we have to find this current. And cos phi is also known, into cos phi. Cos phi will be also different because the value of Z will change. So we have to find this I and cos phi. So we have formula for XL as XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. Here we can see the frequency is half. Here the frequency was 50 Hz. In first part the frequency was 50 Hz. So XL is equal to 86.60. Here the frequency is half. So XL will also be half. So XL divided by 2 is equal to 86.60 divided by 2. 86.60 divided by 2. So it is 43.3. 43.3 ohm. This will be the value for XL in second case. XL is equal to 43.3 ohm. Now we have the formula for cos phi as cos phi is equal to R by Z. And Z square is equal to R square plus XL square. Or directly Z is equal to under root of R square plus XL square. We have the value of R square. R is 50 ohm. So this will be 50 square plus XL. XL is 43.3 square. So from this we can find the value of Z. So Z is equal to under root of 50 square plus 43.3 square. So it is 66.14. 66.14. Unit of impedance is ohm. So from this we can find the value of cos phi. Cos phi is equal to R by Z. So R is 50 ohm divided by Z is 66.14. So 50 divided by 66.14. So it is 0.75. 0.755 is the value of cos phi. Now power is equal to P is equal to VI cos phi. So voltage is 100 volt into current. Now current we can find by using I is equal to V by Z. I is equal to V by Z and cos phi is 0.755. So here this will be 100 into voltage is again 100 divided by Z. Z is 66.14. 66.14 into 0.755. So this will be 100 square. 100 into 100, 100 square. 100 square divided by 66.14 into 0.755. So it is 114.15. 114.15 watt is the value of power. What we have to find? We have to find determine the power consumed when it is connected across 100 volt 50 hertz supply. So power is 114.15 watt.